Ever felt lost in the maze of connecting your app to Stripe? Today, we're cracking the code on generating and managing Stripe API keys, your golden tickets to seamless transactions. First, navigate to your Stripe dashboard once you're logged in. Look for the Developers tab on the left-hand side of your screen. It looks like a gear icon. Click on it. Now, you'll find yourself in the Developers Hub here. Select API keys. This is where the magic happens, where you can create and manage the keys that unlock Stripe's powerful functionalities. You'll see your secret key and publishable key. Your secret key is used to make secure calls from your server. Never expose your secret key to client-side code. The publishable key is used in client-side code, like JavaScript. Next, click the Create Secret Key button, the top right of the screen. A modal will appear where you can give your API key a name. This helps you keep track of which key is used for which integration. You can also restrict the key to specific API versions for enhanced security. Click the Create button. Your secret key is now generated. Make sure to copy and securely store this key, as you won't be able to see it again after you close this window. Treat it like a password. Back on the API keys page, you can reveal your publishable key and delete or roll the API keys. Regularly review and rotate your API keys, especially if you suspect any compromise. And there you have it. You've successfully created and managed your Stripe API keys. Now you can confidently integrate Stripe into your applications and unlock a world of payment possibilities.